Hello, and in this video I want to show you how to set up EventCatalog with authentication. Okay, so you can set up with Auth0, Google, GitHub, and many other providers. So let's dive into the video and I'll quickly show you how. So I've got a brand new catalog here. As you can see, I've just created one out the box. This is what you will have. And as you can see, I have an EventCatalog config file and everything else. So if I run this as it is, npm run dev, and head to port 3000, you'll see here we've got an EventCatalog out of the box. All right, this is running in static mode. We have a static website here. So what happens if we want to add authentication to this application, and how can we do that? Now, EventCatalog now supports authentication, so this is what we have to do. So if we go back into our editor, and what I'm going to do is actually two things. I'm going to go to the EventCatalog, and I'm going to say the output is now server. So the reason for this is that we're turning an EventCatalog into a server-side rendered application, okay? So we need a server to be able to actually authenticate and handle the sessions and the cookies and things like that. So that's the first thing you need to do. So once you've done that, we can close that. We're going to create a new file here. We're going to call it eventcatalog.auth.js, okay? You might already have this in your new catalog, or if you don't, you can create this file. And then if we go over, I'm going to copy some code and just walk you through it. But all we're going to do here actually is set up our providers. Now, as I said, EventCatalog supports a range of providers, and if you don't see one, you can just let us know. So what I'm doing is debug is false for now. Providers, I'm going to set up GitHub, Google, and Okta. Okay, so you can see this is all in the documentation, so you can go through there how to set up clients in Google and things like that. But let's assume I've already done that. Now, I do have a .m file that has all these secrets in them. So if you haven't done that, you need to create a .env and add these secrets to that file. Okay. So I've already done that. Cool, so what I'm going to do now is go back to the website. And as you can see here, we can actually authenticate and log in. So I can't actually go to any route in EventCatalog because it's obviously everything is locked down here. So what I can actually do is go to sign in with GitHub, Google, or Okta. So I'm going to sign in with GitHub here. Click on that, and as you can see, I've already authenticated GitHub, and now I'm signed in under my username there. And as you can see here, I can actually navigate and do what I want. If I sign out of here, if I go back here and sign out, then what we can do is actually sign in with Okta as an example there. This will redirect me to my Okta instance here where I can log in and do things there and get redirected back, okay? So it's really up to you. You know, you can have a look at these providers. What I recommend to do is get started, go to eventcatalog.dev, go to the docs, get in started, and then head to authentication. They'll give you an introduction to what it is and what you should do to set it up. And then equally down here, walk you through step by step. Then you can pick your provider, click on one of these, and again, it will walk you through step by step exactly what you need to do. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Just a quick introduction and set up authentication with EventCatalog. Remember, if you do this, you need to run in server-side rendered mode, and you'll need to host this on a server. We have Docker images and containers that you can just use to do that with ease. So any questions, leave in the comments or join us on Discord, and thanks for watching.